Hello everyone, and welcome in this video that is going to show you how to use the Hello World project from the I-CUBE-ExpressLink package to connect a STM32 board to AWS. Using a B-U5 board plugged with an ExpressLink module, we'll connect our board to the AWS IoT Console and then we'll proceed to publish MQTT Hello World messages. Please refer to the GitHub page of the package to see which boards are compatible, to download the pack, and set up your board in AWS account. First, let's open our project file. After you've downloaded the I-CUBE-ExpressLink package, follow this path to access our IOC file. Here, you can see other projects offered by the I-CUBE-ExpressLink pack. In here, you can see all the boards compatible with the Hello World project. For me, I'm going to use the B-U5 board, but you can select the folder with your board name. Now that the project is open on CubeMX, you can go to Middleware and Software Packs and select I-CUBE-ExpressLink. Here you can see 4 values that can be edited. First, enter your Wi-Fi SSID and Wi-Fi password. Here, you can paste your AWS IoT endpoint that is associated with your account that can be found in the AWS IoT Console. Make sure to keep the quotation marks. If you're using a cellular modem, you need to set your APN. Now you can do a generate code. If this is the first time you are using this board, you'll probably get one of the following messages. If so, just click yes. It might ask you to log in. You can do so by using your MyST user. The code of our project was successfully generated. You can now click on Open Project to open it on STM32 Cube ID. Here you can choose your workspace. Here you can see that the project was successfully imported. Now select the project and build it. Here you can see that the build was complete. You can now flash and run the project. To do so, start the debugger. Accept the ST-Link settings. And click on Switch. Now before flashing the project, let's open Terraterm on the side so that we can see the debug messages on the serial terminal. I'm going to use Terraterm, but feel free to use an online serial emulator. Select your COM port and apply the following settings. Terraterm is now set up. We can now flash the project by starting the debug. Here, you can see on the right that the project has started. Then it's going to make attempts to connect to AWS using what we provided for the endpoint and the Wi-Fi credentials, or APN if using the cellular modem. Now, our board successfully connected to AWS, and you can see that here, this is our thing name. Finally, we can see our board sending these Hello World messages to AWS over MQTT protocol. Now, let's try to see the AWS side and make sure these messages are being received. To do so, go back in the AWS IoT Console. Under the Test section, click on MQTT Test Client. In Topic Filter, you can enter the topic messages are being sent to subscribe to it, and see these messages. You can also subscribe to all the existing topics by typing the pound key. Out of simplicity, let's choose this option, then click on Subscribe. Here, you can recognize our thing name. This is also the name of the topic you can enter above if you want to subscribe to this thing's topic only. Finally, Here you can see all the Hello World messages that are being received from our board. Congratulations! Your STM32 board is now connected to AWS through the ExpressLink module and sending MQTT messages to AWS. Our Hello World project is now running successfully. You can now stop the debug in I-CUBE IDE. If you found this project interesting, don't hesitate to check out the I-CUBE-ExpressLink GitHub page to find out more about its other projects and their offer. I hope you found this training valuable, and thank you for watching it.